Good morning, friend. So in last lecture we have completed exercise 14.2, question number second we have completed, and third. So today we want to start with fourth. So before we start, again I write some identity, that is a square minus b square. Most important identity to solve all these type of sum. When power is 4, which identity I have to use? That is a square minus b square. So answer is simple, a plus b and a minus b. Answer is a plus b, a minus b. Now I am explaining first identity with power 4. So if I write a the power 4 minus b the power 4. But we know the identity of x square minus y square or a square minus b square. So what I have to write now? A square in bracket and then again write power 2. So we know the identity of power, that is power of power multiplication. In chapter number 12 we have understand that when power of power we have to multiply. Again now b power 2 whole the power 2. Now again we have to apply this rule, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So if I apply it here, then I have to write a square plus b square and a square minus b square. So now again this power of power, that is power of power to the power 2, that is 4 to the power 2, that is 4. But we have to use the identity for power 2, this power. So we have to now remove this power and bracket inside power 2, that we have to write, that is a the power 2 plus b the power 2, a the power 2 minus b the power 2. Now again in addition we cannot do anything, so we have to put as it is, a square plus b square as it is. But when negative sign is there, a square minus b square, it is called difference of square. Again we have to split into the two bracket, that is a plus b and a minus b. So I have to write it here, a plus b and a minus b. So what we have to remember, when power 4 is there, a the power 4, b the power 4, answer must be in 3 terms. That is first power a square plus b square bracket over second bracket a plus b, third bracket a minus b. When we have to apply this, when power 4 is there and between them negative sign is there, then it is possible. Again I explain, when 4 power is there, what I have to do or what we have to do. Again I write a the power 4 minus b the power 4. What I am writing is square whole to square minus b square whole to square. Now to remove the power 2, a square plus b square and a square minus b square. Now in positive we cannot go further, a square plus b square, so we cannot go further. But when negative sign is there, we can again the bracket split into 2, that is a plus b, a minus b. Here a square plus b square as it is. So 3, a square plus b square, a plus b and a minus b. So always remember, when power is 4 and minus sign is there, we have to write the 3 bracket in your answer. Now we go for different sum, that is here p the power 4 minus 81. Again I have to remember that 81 is a power of 3 the power 4. 3 the power 4. So p to the power 2. Again 81, 3 the power 2, the power 2. That is 81. Why I am explaining like that 3 the power 2 the power 2? Because already we explained in the when a the power 4 minus b the power 4, inside power 2 and outside power 2. So a square whole to square, b square whole to square. So now what is the first step? I have to remove these two first. So that is why p square plus 3 square and p square minus 3 square. Again here answer we have get p square plus 9. Here what I have to do? Again same. A square minus b square. A plus b. A minus b. Same thing at here. So p plus 3 and p minus 3. So again 3 bracket we have get answer. When power 4 is there, p the power 4 minus 81. So p the power 2 the power 2, 3 the power 2 the power 2, because 81 means 3 the power 4. So p square plus 3 square, but positive sign is there, so we cannot go for the splitting or factorize. P square minus 3 square, so we have to do p plus 3, p minus 3. So first and second both type sums we have completed. Now we go for the third. Again power same is there. So x the power 4 minus y plus z the power 4. So now y plus z, if I will take y plus z is equal to a, then now question is in form of x the power 4 minus a the power 4. Now what I have to do? Again same, x square into square minus a square whole to square. So again identity same, a square plus a square and x square minus a square. What we have to remove this power. Now inside power is there. Again x square minus a square, so split into two factors, that is x plus a and x minus a. Here we have to put as it is x square plus a square. But if you will see the question, in question there is no a. So what we have to do? We have to again put value of a, that is y plus z. So we have to put value a is equal to y plus z. Put value a is equal to y plus z. So if I put value at here, then x square plus y plus z whole to square, bracket over, in second bracket x plus a, so x plus a. Now instead of a I have to write y plus z, so y plus z, and in second bracket again x, negative sign is there, so I have to change the sign, that is minus y minus z. So again answer should be in 3 bracket, that is x square plus y plus z whole to square, x plus y plus z, x minus y minus z. Again I explain, when big terms are there, x the power 4 minus y plus z the power 4. So on that time we have to sort the question because it is too much big. So a y plus z, instead of y plus z we have to take a. So now question is in form of x the power 4 minus a the power 4. Now difference of square we have to apply, that is a square whole to square minus a square whole to square. So outside power we have to remove it. So x square plus a square, x square minus a square. Again split into the 2. I think you have to write this proper way. Now that is same question again, fourth, third and fourth both are same. If you will see properly. So now we go for fifth. E the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b the power 4. So now a square whole to square 2 into a square b square plus b square the power 2. So from a square, from here minus, and from here b square whole the power square. But inside we have to again a square minus b square. So again divide into 2. That is a plus b, a minus b. But we have to write outside power 2. So that is our answer. So now there is a different way question, because a the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b the power 4. So when 3 terms are there with first term and last term power 4, we have to factorize like a perfect square method. That is x square minus 2xy plus y square, x minus y equal to square. Now we go for next. Okay, well, now the topic is related to find the factor of. So these are all the again some related with the factorization. So first find the factor of y square minus 7y plus 12. So what we have to do first, we have to do the factor of 12. So how we can do the 12 factor of 12? So we can say it is a basket factor. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. It is called basket factor. Out of 3 basket pairs are there, we have to select a pair to get 7. That is why we are using here 3 and 4. 3 and 4 we have to select. So question is in form of y square minus 7y plus 12. So we have to split the middle term. So y square. Now instead of 7y, I have to write 3 and 4. So that is 3y minus 4y plus 12. Now y we have to make outside. So y minus 3. Again 4 and 12. So minus 4 we have to take outside. So y minus 3. So y minus 4 and y minus 3. So question is given in 3 terms. That is y square minus 7y plus 12. We have to make a factor of 12, that is basket factors. Out of 3 pairs we have to select any one pair. So which pair we have to select? That is depend on middle term. So middle term is minus 7. So out of, if you will see, 6 plus 2 that is 8, not possible. 12 into 1 that is 13, not possible. 3 into 4 that is 7, so that is possible. So y square minus 3y minus 4y plus 12. So now 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms are there. Out of 4 terms we have to make a common. So from first and second term y is common. So y minus 3. In third and fourth term minus 4. When third term is negative sign, so we have to make minus 4 outside. So in bracket we can write y minus 3. Now we have to put this some as it is, and we want to try now for p square. P square plus 6p plus 8. Now factor of 8 I have to select. Factor of 8, that is 8 into 1, 2 into 4. So out of these two pair we have to select to get 6. So second pair is possible, 2 into 4, that is 8. So p square plus 2p plus 4p plus 8. Now if you will see common between these, first and second term there is a one term common, third and fourth there is a one term common. So I have to take outside p. So in bracket p plus 2. Now plus p. So in bracket I will write p plus 2. So p plus 2 and p plus 4. When middle term is plus, last term is plus, both factors should be plus. Here middle term is minus, so we have to write the both factor negative. Here middle term plus, last term plus, so all factors should be plus. Now first that is already completed. Now second, q square minus 10q plus 21. So again so now try for question number 2, that is q square minus 10q plus 21. So what I have to write again? Factor of 21, that is 1 into 21, 3 into 7. So 7 and 3, that is 10, and 7 is 21. So that is 3q minus 7q plus 21. Now already we know that from first and second there is some common term that we have to take outside. So here it is q common. So I have to write inside q minus 3. Here minus 7 is common. So in bracket I write q minus 3. So answer is q minus 3 and q minus 7. One more sum that we have also completed here, that is p square plus 6p minus 16. So again factor of 16 I have to write, that is 1 into 16, 2 into 8 and 4 into 4. So these are the basket factor. Out of it I have to select to get 6. So from these second pair is possible, 8 to the 16, 8 minus 2, that is 6. So p square plus 8p minus 2p minus 16. So if p is common, p plus 8 minus 2 common, p plus 8. So p plus 8 and p minus 2. So already 14.2 question number 5 we have completed. Again I explained factor of 16 we have to select, that is 1 into 16, 2 into 8 and 4 into 4. But out of 3 I have to select the pair to get 6. It is called splitting of middle term. So that is 8 into 2. 8 minus 2, that is 6. Now we want to go for some new topic, that is division of algorithm. Topics, today's topic related with the division of algorithm. So in division of algorithm, first topic is monomial by another monomial. Monomial by another monomial. So one example is that here, that is do the following divisible. So minus 20 x the power 4 upon 10 x the power 2. Now there are different ways to solve this sum. Someone make cancellation to 0 0. So minus 2 x the power 4 minus 2, because in divisible we have to do the subtraction of power. So the answer is minus 2x the power 2. Now according to your textbook, what we have to do? So minus 2 into 5, that is a factor of 20. Again 10, that is 2 into 5. And x into x into x into x and x into x. So it is written text, but it is too much lengthy. So here it is cancelled, here it is cancelled, again one cancel, again cancel. So x. So if you will see 2, 1 and 2 power. So again answer is minus 2x the power 2. So which way is suitable for us? That is, we have to go with latest method, that in numerator denominator we can do the cancellation directly, simplify it, and for power of it we have to do the subtraction rules, because already in chapter number 12 we have cleared that. So now try these two sums are here for try this. So that we have to do now. (24) x y square 3 z by 6 y z square. So what I have to write again? 24, then x y square and z the power 3. Again divide 6 y z square. So now if you will see 6 4s are, we know 6 4s are 24. Y the power 2, y the power 1, so 1 power should be reduced. Again y the power 3, sorry, z the power 3, z the power 2. So which way we have to do? That is 4x. In y we have to write 2 minus 1, and in z I have to write 3 minus 2. So answer is 4x y z. Answer is 4x y z. So these are the different way to solve this. Now 63, again I am writing 63 e the power 2, b the power 4, c the power 6 divided by 7 e the power 2, b the power 2, c the power 3. Again 7 9s are, that is 63. Now power we have to reduce it. So this power is again cancelled. Remaining power is at 9. B the power 4, B the power 2. So B the power 2 is remaining. 4 minus 2 in denominator. In divisible we have to do the subtraction of power. C the power 6, C the power 3. So 6 minus 3, that is 3. So that is a correct answer. So now we go for next, that is exercise 14.3. So in exercise 14.3, I think it is too much, all are monomial. So you do it only simple cancellation and we can get answer. So I think one sum I am explaining and all others you have to do it yourself. So 28 x the power 4 divided by 28 x the power 4 divided by 56x. So which way we have to do? Simple, 28 2s are, you can do it. And power 1 is cancelled, so x the power 3 upon 2. Another sum, if I try minus 36 y cube divided by 9y square. So 9 4s are 36. Power 3 and power 2. So minus 3y. 3 minus 2, that is, sorry, minus 4. Minus 4, you can say minus 4y, that is our answer. So you have to complete yourself because it's monomial divided by monomial. So complete in your homework book, that is exercise 14.3.